Okay, next topic for year 10, angles and bearings. Going to do higher here, part 1. And the first thing we've got is match each diagram to the bearing described. The first thing to remember about bearings is, well, one thing to remember is that written backwards, it's the bearing of A from somewhere, so from B. So I look at, first of all, where the bearings is at. So in this case, I'm looking at the grey sectors as such. And I've also got to remember that they start at north. So they're all starting at north. So in this case, I look at the first one, and this is bearing of A from B. So I've got to look at where these, so this one's at B, the first one's at B, the second one's at B, the third one's from C, and the fourth one's from A. So I know that it's either the first or the second. I then need to say where do they go to. So it's nearly like instead of from going to, it's from bearing of somewhere from where it is. So this is, the first one is the bearing of C from B. Okay, so in fact that one goes with that one. The second one is the bearing of A from B. So because it's going towards 8, so that one goes with that one. This one is the bearing of B because it's going to be from C, so that is that one. And the last one is the bearing of B because it's going towards B from A, that's where it starts. So that one is that one. Okay. Work out the bearing of A from B. The other thing to remember about bearings is that we start at north, we go clockwise, and we also have, remember, if it's less than 100, we have to make it 3 digits. So if I start at north, so I'm going from B, so I'm going this way, and I've got to find that angle all the way around there. So I know that halfway down to south is 180. 180 plus 50 gives me a bearing of 230. That's the answer to that.